A couple weeks ago, I entered this quilt block design contest hosted by Quilter's Candy, or aka Elizabeth Chappelle, I want to say. I'm sure I'm getting that wrong. Maybe it's Chapel. Maybe it's Chappelle. It was really fun being creative and putting my favorite piecing elements together to come up with this cute little block. I am going to show you the front of it, don't worry. But first, I want to talk about the rules and the prizes for the contest. So first things first, there are cash prizes for the first 3 blocks, but I think the most valuable prize is the access to the quilt pattern writing course. I've had my eye on it for a while because I'd love to learn how to write and format patterns and market them and everything. I just haven't done it yet, but I really would like to. So as you can see here, submissions are definitely closed, but voting has started, so that's really exciting, and I can't wait to see who comes out on top. The rules are pretty simple. Everyone can enter 1 block and 1 block only, whether you're a person or a business. The quilt block designs can be hand-drawn, computer-generated, or a photo of the quilt block that we make. So I opted for entering a photo of my quilt block because why not? And plus I can use that same photo on my Instagram later on. There was a limit of 1,000 submissions, and then there's that note down there that says, the images of quilt tops, not a single block will be removed. And I was a little disappointed at that because I did design a whole quilt with this block, and I'm going to show it to you here now because I wanted someone to see it. I'm going to show you the most complicated version first. And this isn't a colorway that I would actually do in real life. It's just quick colors I picked out on my design program. But I would want something a little bit more scrappy going on here and not be quite as monochromatic as it is here. And then let's simplify it real quick. In this version, there's a lot more negative space, and it's a little more calm, and I like both versions. I think the first one is a little overwhelming, probably for some people, a little more maximalist, but I like them both equally, and I really want to make this quilt eventually. Now, you're probably wondering why I'm sharing this information with you, and I want to be clear, I am not asking you to vote for me. I'm sure there are going to be way more creative and elaborate and impressive blocks entered. I want to be completely clear with that. I mainly just wanted to bring the contest to your attention because I find this sort of creativity from my fellow quilters so inspiring. It makes me want to be creative myself and to join in with the quilting community a little more, and also work on more original patterns of my own. So I thought other quilters who watch this channel and watch my videos would also enjoy and find value in supporting the sort of creative efforts of our fellow quilters. So this is not a sales pitch, nothing like that. I just thought I would share the link in the description of this video so you can go vote and support our fellow quilters and sort of engage with their creativity and maybe become inspired as well. So please, please, please vote. And also let me know in the comments section what you think of the quilt top mock-up I showed you. I really like it, but if you have any constructive criticism, I'd love to hear it. Thanks for spending time with me today, quilters. If you want to support this channel and help me buy supplies and materials for future videos, please visit my Buy Me a Coffee page linked in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss upcoming videos. And I'll see you again real soon. Bye!